Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT P80 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles should be hotspot toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. See if we can find mine. It looks like it's not added by default, so I guess we have to do it ourselves. Click right here on this pencil and swipe down. And here we have a bunch of toggles that are turned off. So we can add them to toggles, and one of those is hotspot. So grab it, and it gives you a vibration, and the toggle itself lifts up, and you can drag it over to the top. Drop it above this text right here, and then when you go back, you should have access to it on one of the pages. From here, hold the toggle again, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. I recommend navigating into the hotspot password, which is randomly generated, so without actually going in here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to, and then just getting rid of it. And now put in your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, both, doesn't really matter. Click on OK, and that's really the only thing that I recommend changing. Everything else is set, I would say, fine. So it should allow you to use this hotspot in basically most situations. Anyway, let's close this, and now find the toggle once more, and this time around, simply tap on it to enable it, and you're good to go. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.